Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast on Sunday, November 3rd, 2024. We're currently looking at the severe thunderstorm watches and warnings as well as the flash flood watches, and all of these are centered in Oklahoma. These are the watches and warnings. Currently, we have a severe thunderstorm warning with hail, 1-inch hail, and 60-mile-an-hour winds here for Atoka, Bryan, Cole, Hughes, Johnston, Marshall, Murray, Seminole, and Pontotoc counties here. And these include bigger cities like Tishomingo and Atoka and Durant, heading toward Antlers, Oklahoma. And these storms are producing 1-inch hail and gusts up to 60 miles an hour here, just to the east of Wynwood, Oklahoma, and heading up towards Allen, Oklahoma. And they're moving very fast here. These storms are moving north at 50 knots, and they're moving very fast and creating those instability and stable conditions here. Most of the rain, as you can see, has moved well north of the DFW Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, out of Denton and Collin counties, and heading north crossing the Red River over into Oklahoma here. And you can see southern Oklahoma from Mill Creek. Hail reported there of half of an inch of hail, as well as Dixon, Oklahoma, reporting half an inch of hail here. These storms will continue to slide north and east of Ardmore, Oklahoma, and Wynwood, Oklahoma, and continue east here. This severe thunderstorm warning does expire in the next 12 minutes here, but it will continue until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time here. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. You can expect damage to roof siding and trees. Now, in addition to this, we also have flash flooding because over here, we have continuing training rain in the same spots here. So a flash flood warning. This is a serious emergency for central Carter County and southern Oklahoma, southwestern Murray County and southern Oklahoma. Once again, 3 to 4 inches of rain have fallen. An additional 1 to 2 inches an hour are expected in these warned areas. So please take cover, take caution. Small creeks, flooding, highways, underpasses should be avoided because you don't know how deep that water is going to be here. And this is all in this Ardmore, Davis area here, south of Oklahoma City and Norman here, as this rain is just producing heavy training here, going over the same areas with these bands of red and yellow heavy rain that continues to go over Marietta, Ardmore, Tishomingo, Medill, areas like that. As this rain continues to slide north and east very fast here. These storms are moving at 50 knots and dropping heavy rain all the way back towards east of Wichita Falls, Texas here, as it continues to move northeastward here. So let's give you a wider view here. Most of this rain and the warnings is all in Oklahoma. The flash flood warnings expire in about 2 hours and 26 minutes for Carter and Murray counties, also in Logan and Payne counties. This is the same thing. Radar indicated rain of about 1 to 2 inches an hour for Logan and Payne County in Oklahoma. This includes Mohawk, Guthrie, Stillwater, and Langston, Oklahoma. And this is just to the north of Oklahoma City here, up I-35 here. And you can see those heavier bands here working through Stillwater and Perkins, Oklahoma here. And they also have that training effect, but there is some clearing coming along the backside here, but there may be some gusty winds out ahead of this line of storms here. So if you're in Harmony, Cleveland, Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Bixby, get ready in about let's say another hour here for this line to come bulging through and produce heavy flooding rain. There may be some street flooding there. Be very careful if you're on the Oklahoma Turnpike here or on 35 here north and east of the city, Stillwater, Perkins, Guthrie. You're under a flash flood warning. Once again here, radar indicated 1 to 2 inches an hour up until 7:30 Central Daylight Time, Central Standard Time here. So just be on the lookout for Logan County and southwestern Payne County in Oklahoma. So once again, we have three flash flood warnings in Oklahoma, one of which expires in 39 minutes. That's for Caddo, Comanche, and Kiowa counties. But the other two, that's in Carter and Murray County and Logan and Payne County. Once again, you're still under that flash flood emergency warning for 2 hours, the next 2 hours and 30 minutes, basically, until 7 Central Standard Time. And we still have heavy rain extending up towards Wichita, Winfield, Ponca City, Bartlетtsville. All of you guys are getting in some heavy rain here. And Tulsa, like I said, you're just getting into those light to moderate rain with that yellow coming in. But that heavier band is coming in right here in about the next hour or so here into Tulsa, Bixby, Broken Arrow, Stroud, Oklahoma, along the Oklahoma Turnpike on 44 there. So be very careful there along that area. Later on in the forecast period, be careful for heavy rain up into the Miami Valley here of Oklahoma, and into Joplin, Missouri, and Springfield later on tonight. But so far, these warnings have all been extended into the Red River Valley, north of Wichita Falls, and into Oklahoma. That's where we have the watches and warnings. This has been our current update. Thank you for joining me here on the Watches and Warning Update. Please be sure to subscribe to Weather Guru for the latest interpretation of weather as it happens in the lower 48 and sometimes beyond. Take care. God bless.